This episode journeys through AI breakthroughs, bold space ambitions, and green technologies, weaving them into one transformative future. From autonomous labs predicting cures to tiny reactors powering lunar bases, each idea hints at daily life remade. Sensors, simulations, and shared data ecosystems could turn ordinary cities into living laboratories of resilience and creativity for all ages. By spotlighting practical pilots in citizen science, the show invites everyone to imagine themselves as co-inventors. Join the journey, subscribe for weekly sparks, and watch ideas accelerate from theory to tomorrow's everyday realities.